Real estate is one of the most versatile and rewarding investment options out there. But with so many types of real estate investments to choose from, how do you know which is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the major types of real estate investment, their benefits, and what makes each unique. Let's dive in. First up, residential real estate. This includes houses, apartments, and condos where people live. Whether you're renting out a single-family home or managing a multi-unit building, residential properties are a go-to for steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. With demand for housing always high, this is often a great starting point for new investors. Next is commercial real estate. Think office buildings, retail stores, and shopping centers. These properties generate income from businesses that lease the space. While commercial investments often require more capital up front, they can deliver higher returns and longer-term leases. Plus, they diversify your portfolio by stepping outside the residential sector. Now let's talk about industrial real estate. This includes warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. With the rise of e-commerce and global trade, industrial properties are booming. Investors benefit from long-term tenants and consistent rental income, making this a smart choice for those looking to capitalize on modern economic trends. Then there's land investment. This involves purchasing undeveloped or raw land, often with the goal of future development. Whether it's for residential neighborhoods, commercial projects, or even agriculture, land investments can offer huge returns. However, they also come with risks, so careful research is key. Finally, we have special purpose real estate. These are properties designed for a specific use, like hotels, self-storage facilities, or even amusement parks. While these investments may require niche expertise, they can offer high returns if you find the right market and management team. Real estate offers endless opportunities, from residential rentals to industrial spaces and everything in between. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, so understanding your goals and market trends is crucial for making the right choice. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more expert tips on real estate investing. Have questions or a favorite type of real estate investment? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're starting small or going big, success in real estate starts with knowledge and smart decisions. See you in the next video.